Good morning, rollers, and welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way out to do a little bit of shopping at the Dollar Tree, and I'd love to take you along with me, and I'll explain more what my thought processes are. So this should be fun. Let's go. So we have a couple of events happening this month. Actually, this weekend is Paul's get-together with our family, so I have to get some things for that. And then in a few weeks, we're actually having a little birthday party / graduation party for Kobe, and so I want to make sure I can get some decor for that. It won't be huge, but I kind of want to start looking for that. Also, you just never know what you're going to find at the Dollar Tree, so I want to be open to some crafts and decor anyways for 4th of July. So we'll see what we can find there. I'm spending the morning with Kobe, and so I am so happy to do that. So I'm always happy to have Kobe come along. So much like luau stuff that I'm thinking, Kobe, we could do like luau stuff for your birthday at the park. What do you think?
Yeah.
That'd be fun, huh? This location has like so many toys, and this would be kind of fun. Kobe, let's get some of these for your party. Because it will be at the park that has the water features, and the kids can use these to get wet. While we're looking at some decor stuff for Kobe's, I'm looking now for Paul, because he has a birthday party this weekend with the fam. And I've decided to make Nacho Mama's banana pudding instead of a cake, so I can make his more gluten-free. And these are perfect for individual servings, don't you think? Okay, this is awesome. They have all these paints here, and I'm gonna pick up some of these brushes, I think. At this location, they were like one of the first ones to have like this wooden section. Does your Dollar Tree have that? I love it. Love it, love it. More crafties. Would love it. Ooh, a little felt. Yeah, you can bring your kids here and get all their little craft needs. If you have crafty kids, I mean. Little beads. Oh, this is cute, this little twine. Oh, yes, I was hoping I would find these here. Let's see, this thicker one is actually my more favorite. So if you're looking, it's like this versus this. Now I make these into those baskets, and I like the thicker look, I think, but these still make a very good basket as well. So I'm gonna get some of these because we're gonna be playing a game this weekend, and I thought I could make like a little basket to have like some treats in it for the winter. Need some flowers? Your Dollar Tree may have what you're looking for. So take a look at this aisle. There's a few of them that are like this, and it's all snacks. They have awesome snacks, you guys. They have these awesome aisles. I think I need to get some, like, if they have little clear rubber bands. Let's see. This one has a nice assortment of kitchen gadgets. You know, some of the kitchen gadgets I've bought haven't been the best from the dollar store, but you know, some win. But like their glasses, their bowls, their plates, such a good price. And you can get a collection. I'm loving that. That's a nice hand cup glass. This location has a lot of popcorn, and look at how cute those little containers are. They're the big ones, so you could fit a couple of bags, I bet, in there. So good. Well, I think we're about done, and I have never had a cart full like this at the Dollar Tree. So I'll show you everything that we got when we get home, and just a little bit more about what we're planning to do. Just a heads up, that was the most I've ever spent at the Dollar Tree, you guys. Oh my gosh, and I'll tell you what that is very soon. All right, let's get started. I spent I'll tell you in a minute. But you know, we are getting ready for Paul's birthday, and we are also starting to plan Kobe's birthday, which is at the end of June. So that way we're not having to buy so much at the end. He is loving the Hawaiian luau funness to planning. And so he wanted to get a couple of these tiki torches. Now we'll probably be having it at a park, a nearby park. So I'm not sure if we can light them, but that's okay because we'll just have them for decor, and they are super cute. Plus you could probably see lots of leis. Lots of leis. So I had him also pick out one for him that was like not a plasticky one, but more like nice. One thing that Kobe loves is Hawaiian shirts. He is such a fan of Hawaiian shirts. So this is like right up his alley. And I also got a few packs of these super cute luau napkins as well. So I mean, that's what I'm gonna keep my eye for, are these colors now for like plates, cups, things like that, which I have like a month to do so to plan for. So that is gonna give me some good foundation for some colors. I love it. Oh, I have a few more things to show you for Kobe's. We bought these for fun because the sprinkler pads will be open when we do go to the park. And look at this decor. Is that the cutest? Pineapple inflatable. I think it'll be perfect for the luau decor. Now I'm gonna show you what I got for Paul's. I ended up getting about 48 of these, so 4 packs of this kind of, it's not like the taller glass, which I was showing you in the store, but more like a dessert bowl. And then I got some of this spoon. As we're having kids come over, I got some bubbles, and I'm still on the hunt for some chalk. But I did find some white chalk, so at least we have some white one, but I do want to find some colored ones, so let's keep going. All right, so actually Kobe was wanting these little like seashells in these cute little jars. So cute. And if you're looking for decor for bathrooms or something, I think that would be so cute, like that kind of ocean theme, which kind of goes with the luau theme, don't you think? I saw this super cute chalkboard that I think I can use for Paul's birthday this weekend. So maybe it can just say like happy birthday, or just like some parts of the menu to be expecting. That would be fun. And like I said, I had the white chalk. I went ahead and got these paint brushes. These ones are lifesavers because I always need a smaller paintbrush. I have bigger ones because I usually rinse those out, but these smaller ones, I always either like damage them or they somehow get thrown away. So I needed to get some more. And then I just picked up some of these little elastics for the hair because my hair is getting a little longer. I curl it to even make it shorter. But I thought for fun little braids, I could put those in, or just some fun little designs or hairstyles before I chop it off. You guys, should I go short? How short should I go? I don't know. I'm still thinking about that myself. I picked up some Scotch tape because always need that here. And then I saw this cute sign, you guys. Look at this. Love is where the heart is. And I love that this is like succulent looking. I have the perfect place, I think, for it. I'm gonna check my downstairs bathroom and see if we can put this in there. So I also, you guys already saw that I picked up a lot of these ropes. So, let's make it really fast, the little container. I'm gonna put some candies in. Let's do it right now. It's all done. Look at how super cute it is. This one's kind of wonky on this side, but that's okay. So this would fit any like of these $5 plants from Target, which is kind of fun. But we're gonna use it as a gift bag for our game. I'm just gonna put some candies in here. So fun. All right, I think that's it. You guys, that's super cute, huh? So we're ready for Paul's game night. Didn't that turn out super cute? So all of these are pretty much candies for the game that we're playing, or just snacks for the kids. But I will show you a few things. These are my favorite. I haven't found them in over a month. So these little nips with the chocolate on the inside, super good. And it's something I could just kind of suck on, you know, like it's a hard candy. Also, look at these, you guys. So I just bought 4 packs of the bigger ones, and here's the little mini ones for what I'm making for Paul's birthday treat. That will be so cute. So if I need some more, I have some little mini ones to put on top. And then these, you guys. So this whole bag is full of popcorners. I am such a huge fan of these. They're gluten-free. And the sweet and salty, come on, that's a good combo, right? So this one's a kettle corn, and then we also got just a couple of these white cheddars, but I tell you what, the kettle corn ones are delicious, and they poof, go away really fast. So I am a fan. The families are fans of them as well. So you guys, dun 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 dun, $73 I spent at the dollar store. And I will say that most of them are in these buckets, honestly. And those buckets are we're using those for holding drinks. So this weekend I'll be using them as well. I'll fill them up with ice, put canned sodas in there, and then that way our family can just pick whichever ones they want. It's such a win. And with the holidays coming up, we have a couple of get-togethers, plus 4th of July. Those will be much used, very much. If not, we can always use them to fill them up with water for water balloon fights. So thanks so much for stopping by the channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you like this haul, the biggest Dollar Tree haul ever. So you guys, I'm so grateful for all of you, and I hope that you're having a wonderful day. And stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.